Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That'd be super cool. Today, I'm doing a second look with the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette, which I don't need another nude palette, but this nude palette's really good. So I want to do another look with it for the hooded eyes, which is what I have. And I'm going to start off by doing a little dance. Just kidding. Well, I mean, I'm not kidding. I did do a dance, but that's not why I wanted to start off. I'm in a mood. I'm in a good mood. I'm going to start off with Wit. This beautiful pinky color in my crease. I'm trying to do a different nude look because us ladies and gentlemen with the hooded eyes have to work harder to get the payoff that everybody else gets. And that's just the way of the world. And some things will never change. To quote Bruce Hornsby and the whatever his band was. But look how beautiful. It's so gorgeous. You're so gorgeous, I'll do anything. That's a Cure song. Never mind. Why can't I be you? Boop, 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 boop. I'm going to go into Tender on the outside corner. And it is kind of a brunette color. It's a brown, but it's kind of like a brunette color. So that looks smart. Let's do it over here. Super smart looking. I'll put it down in it's in the crease. Ooh. I feel like it needs to be blended badly. It needs to be blended well, but I didn't take the little thing off the mirror. Let's see if I can do that. It's always so satisfying to peel the little plastic off the mirror, yet I do it so infrequently. I'm trying to get the little sticky mirrors. I want to be able to use the mirror. All right, you ready? Ooh, the mirror has two faces. Let's blend, 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 blend. Soften harsh lines and blend, blend, blend. That's looking so much better. You're so gorgeous, I'll do anything. Let's see. I want to go into Delilah here with my finger. It is a bronzy shimmer. I'm going to put it in the middle. Oh, it looks good with that Tender color. It needs a lighter color. I love having like a little highlight in the corner. And I'm going to do that with Mia. This right here. Oh, that really brings it to life. Just brightens it all up. But this is a beautiful, dramatic, neutral look with a I Need a Nude palette, which I love. It is very cool and refreshing and delightful, and I love it. So now I'm going to use the Super Stay eyeliner from Stila and just draw a little line with a little wing. I love it. I love it. So pretty. I'm going to use my new Estee Lauder mascara, which I got free to try it with a review from Influencer. And it is black and thick and luxurious. It's a little chunky, but I don't mind. It's not as chunky as the Better Than Sex mascara. That's some real chunky stuff. Why can't I be you? Ba, 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 ba. We saw The Cure this past weekend in Chicago, and that was a lot of fun. And what kind of lip should I do? I'm wearing pink, and I've got a nice neutral eye, so I think I'm gonna go with, Rome borrowed my magnifying glass. No, I'll never get it back. I'll try Ringleader for my lip from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. That looks great. Super cute look. I love it. I feel very pretty and fresh. And once again, this is the I Need a Nude palette from Natasha Denona, and I love it. Bye.